Hello, I'm out here today. I'm out on a hike, and what I wanted to do is I wanted to share a couple pieces of gear from OneTigris. This one here is the portable camping table. It's made out of 500D Cordura nylon, and it has a 70-75 aluminum construction for the poles that comes with it. Now, I'm going to leave a link where you can check out all the specs, the size, and so on. But I wanted to bring this out today, as well as the portable camping chair. Set that up, make myself some wild tea in the bush, and continue on with my hike. We'll quickly go over what's in this pouch here. And this is one of the side panels that there's two of them in this pouch as well. But you can see lots of molly on it, different pouches and such, and this hangs right on the side of the table. I'll show you how that sets up here in a minute. You've got also the pole construction, and I'm going to set this down and just put this together and show you how it's going to look after it's put together, this pole construction. So I'm just going to set this stuff down. Now it's pretty simple. You just place all the poles in where they're hooked to. So we're going to put this all in here like that. Make sure they're nice and tight, and that's what it looks like, and that's how simple it is. Now we can actually put the table portion on this after we put two more aluminum poles on here. This is those two poles here, and how these are going to work is they have these knobs and these slots. So I'm just going to slide this in like that, take the other side, slide it in, then do the same to the other. Very simple setup, but having a table out here and being lightweight and easy to pack can be, you know, very, very nice to have a place to put your pots or whatever you want to put on a table. I'm actually enjoying this because I've propped a lot of stuff up on, you know, down trees and so on. This here is your table. It's reinforced in here, and this just goes down and clips right here in these four spots. So it's going to clip there. I'll turn it around, pull it tight, clip it in. There's your table. How this works is you clip these in underneath here. Now it's easier if you do it before you put your top on. So we'll remove that. I'm going to clip one right here, clip another one, and then the other. Then I can clip this back in. And like I said, that's just for extra stuff that you may want to add and put in here and so on. There's one for each side. This is what I like about it. I'm able to come out here, set my stuff up on a table, and it's just very, very convenient. Now, like I mentioned, for all the specs, how much this will, you know, can basically, how much weight it can have on it and such, you can find all that on the website. I'm not sure myself. I'd have to look it up. So that's just something. I'll put the website in the description that you can check out if you have any questions about this. Now, this here, I'm going to be able to set this stove up right on here and use it. I like that because right now a lot of snow and such, and this here is very, very convenient. So I'm going to just screw this on here. Now when I'm ready to make my tea, it's all ready to go. Now what I'm going to do is share the chair.